Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's essential for any pet owner on the go, the Midwest Spree 24-inch hard-sided pet carrier. We found this fantastic carrier online, and we've included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's talk about what this product is all about. The Midwest Spree travel carrier is a well-designed, hard-sided carrier that's perfect for small pets, whether you're heading to the vet, the pet store, or just going for a fun day at the park. With its sturdy construction and thoughtful features, this carrier ensures that your furry friend is safe and comfortable during every little adventure. One of the standout features of this carrier is its size. It's specifically designed for small pets weighing up to 24 pounds. The interior dimensions are 22.55 by 15.2 by 14.9 inches, providing ample space for your cat or small dog to sit comfortably while still being snug enough to feel secure. This is particularly important for pets that may feel anxious in unfamiliar situations. Another highlight is the easy-to-clean, durable polypropylene shell. We all know how messy pets can be, especially when they're nervous about traveling. Fortunately, the surface of this carrier wipes clean in seconds, making it a breeze to maintain. Plus, it features a built-in handle, which allows you to grab and go without fuss. This is a huge plus for busy pet owners who need to be able to transport their pets quickly and efficiently. Ventilation is key when it comes to pet carriers, and the Midwest Spree doesn't disappoint in this area either. The carrier has ventilated sides and a wide wire door, ensuring that your pet has plenty of fresh air and visibility. This thoughtful design helps your pet stay cool and curious while traveling, reducing stress and making the journey more enjoyable for everyone involved. One of the most appealing aspects of this carrier is its easy assembly. The patented 5-step assembly process allows you to snap the carrier together in just minutes, no tools required. This means less time fumbling around and more time focusing on your pet. The door can also open in either direction, which makes loading and unloading your pet simple and stress-free. Now, who is this carrier suitable for? If you have a small dog or a cat that weighs up to 24 pounds, this carrier is an excellent choice. It's perfect for pet owners who frequently travel, whether it's for a quick trip to the vet or a longer journey. Additionally, its easy assembly and cleaning make it ideal for anyone who values convenience in their pet accessories. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine it's a sunny Saturday, and you're planning a day out at the park with your pup. Instead of worrying about how to transport your furry friend, you can easily pack them into the Midwest Spree carrier, knowing they'll be comfortable and secure. Or perhaps you have an upcoming vet appointment. This carrier simplifies the process, allowing you to get your pet to their appointment without added stress. In summary, the Midwest Spree 24-inch hard-sided pet carrier is a versatile and practical solution for pet owners looking to travel with their small pets. With its durable design, easy assembly, and thoughtful features, it's built to make every adventure easier for both you and your furry friend. Thanks for watching.